Bureau of Immigration muli pong nagbabala hinggil sa paggamit ng backdoor exits. Ang publiko pinag-iingat ng naturang ahensya laban po dito sa mga issue ng trafficking. May update po dyan si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Muling nagbigay babala ang Bureau of Immigration hinggil sa patuloy ng paggamit ng ilang Pilipino sa mga iligal na lusutan papalabas ng bansa o tinatawag bilang backdoor exits. Alinsunod nila ang paalala sa mga natulungang biktima ng trafficking niya, katulad ng isang 24 anyos na Pilipina na iuwi ng immigration noong Marso. Batay sa ulat, ang biktima ay nakalabas ng Pilipinas gamit ang bangka mula Tawi-Tawi at nagpatawid-tawid ng bansa hanggang makaabot o makarating ng Cambodia, ngunit naging biktima lamang sapagkat pinilit magtrabaho sa Labscam. Dahil rito ay maring babala muli ni Immigration Commissioner Joel Anthony Viado na ang backdoor exits ay may kaakibat na banta na maging biktima ng pananamantala o exploitation. Ayon naman sa isang non-governmental organization na International Border Management and Technologies Association, ang issue sa pagpapanatili ng border control sa bansa ay problema rin maging sa internasyonal. Naniniwala si Sharon Ailey ng naturang organisasyon na ito'y may tuturing global problem at nagkakaiba-iba lamang raw sa prioridad tutukan ng isang bansa. Ngunit nakikita niyang malaki ang papel ng makabagong teknolohiya para tuluyan masolusyonan ang problema pati sa mga kaso ng trafficking.
Border control is a global problem rather than necessarily a regional problem. I think that actually every border has similar challenges. It's just necessarily down to the region what their priorities are. Trafficking, illegal migration, security threats. These are threats that exist all over the world.
Kung kaya't nararapat lamang raw na palakasin ang kakayahan ng mga tauhan o otoridad, matugunan lamang ang problema patungkol sa pagpapaigting ng border control ng bansa.
We equally need to invest in people to make sure that they have the training that they need and the support that they need and the equipment that they need to be able to combat this issue. But yeah, it's definitely a global issue. This isn't an isolated problem here in this region. It's an international problem and one that we should all be taking very, very seriously.
Dagdag pa niya, pati impormasyon ng mga papalis at papasok ng bansa ay mahalagang ma-monitor din para matukoy ang mga individual na may dalang panganib.
Removing your border from in-country, pushing your border out as far as you can, so collecting the information from the passenger at the time they book their flight, when they apply for their electronic travel authorization document, taking that information ahead of time before they've even got to the airport, let alone boarded the flight or arrived at your border, and using that information to collecting that data, analyzing that data, and making a risk assessment ahead of time relieves the pressure on the border.
Nakatakda naman anya siyang makipagkita kay Immigration Commissioner Viado upang pag-usapan ang maaaring gawin sa pagpapaigting ng border control sa Pilipinas. Ito si Bombo Grant Hilario para sa the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.